Alright, what is up everyone? I'm Sammy VR, welcome back. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And we're going to be doing level 10 Monkey Marathon because everyone loves level 10. Not me.
Level 10.
Run! I saw him! Imagine I saw him.
I'm going, I don't know where he is! Grandpa be so silly.
I see him.
Grandpa be so silly.
I see him. What are you talking
No
about?
button.
I swear to God, he just
Where's the
appeared
button?
in front of us.
Where are the buttons?
Dog is barking.
Guys, I have no buttons, by the way.
Oh, I saw him.
We
I have
just
0
started
buttons.
the freaking level!
I get 0 buttons. 0 bitches.
Guys, it's a say so.
I'll go over here with the dog.
Huh?
Where's the monster?
The monster.
I'm just sticking
Potatoes! I'm
Button.
dying!
one
just
out
started
of
something.
4. 1 out of 4.
There's so many freaking frogs!
Oh my god. Yeah, look at all the frogs. It's an army of frogs.
Hello. I had something.
It's already
Yeah, shut up.
Jeez.
Grandpa,
Why don't y'all go
Oh my God, here's
first?
some.
frogs!
Follow green.
Frogs!
Yeah, follow the green in front with the Christmas tree hat.
Bro, we went
He's
this way
like-
already.
I go as fast you can.
Yo, go
We've
the
already
other way.
been this way, green.
Fast as you
What is this way?
Grandpa, please appear in front of us. I want
Follow him.
to see that happen. It's like an army.
More importantly, look how many people completed
The frogs are chasing us, by the way.
I know his roots.
We're also
You gotta run
I
from
think
our
this is
frogs.
the entire lobby, just following us. Hilarious.
Wait,
Us running is just the stupidest thing. Get out, boy.
Get in! Yo, what's it? Play to the map. What's it? Play to the map.
Dear me to death.
Yo,
Boys.
play to the map.
Monkey Marathon, boys.
How far?
Oh my God.
You know what the jump scare?
Time to change the world, Grandpa.
Sorry.
Come here, Grandpa. He went that way.
Boys, let's find the buttons and
He
then
went
Monkey
right.
Marathon.
He went this way.
Come on.
Follow him.
Right.
Coming back?
The pizza
Follow
right
green.
here.
Boys, follow green.
Guys, I suspiciously remember him.
Green, faster. I'm coming with yellow. Oh god, we're cornered. Yellow, it isn't following us. Also, we already got that button. We have to get back to spawn.
Okay.
Oh my god! Okay, well, everyone except yellow.
Grandma, please don't touch me. Whoa.
Boys, let's go behind. Guys, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Come on, boys, we have to travel as a group. To the left.
Is this a level hard?
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One up this time.
Sure. We're just wandering.
Yes, smooth. Button.
Oh, wait, button.
Yeah. No shit, show up.
It's a dead end. Take it back. Dead end.
Oh my god, dead
Dead end.
end. We're just
If you
trapped,
start
by
to
the
hear his
way.
noise, if you
Just
hear
run.
him, say code Grandpa.
Sure. Oh my god, code Grandpa! Code Grandpa Green, run! Code Grandpa!
Grandpa.
Me and this green.
Follow me. You must say Grandpa. Yeah, mama.
Alright, let's go, boys. Guys, green's going.
If green
Oh my
goes, we
gosh.
go.
Yeah, if green goes, we go. Everybody. Oh god, run! Run behind!
He's coming! He's coming!
Green, go!
He's coming at this. He's
Yellow,
coming.
go.
He's not here. Yes, he is. He's
Yo.
not here. He's over here.
Oh god, code Grandpa!
Code Grandpa. Code Grandpa. Grandpa.
Code Grandpa, he's still coming, yellow, by the way. So just run.
Come on, guys. Right here.
Come on, grab your friends and watch some YouTube video. No, I'm not gonna steal this.
Grandpa is actually kind of fast.
Grandpa? It's actually Grandpa.
Grandpa.
No, dude's grandpa sounds
And I
like
think his official name was Grandpa.
Yeah. Dude's official
Oh my
name
god, what are we doing?
We are evolving.
Yes, we are evolving.
Or the blue skies. Say the prayer.
Oh god, behind us! Go! Go! Get out once you can! Come with me! Oh my god! Oh my god! Black is...
Bro, you wanna see how fast I was moving my hand?
Yes! Did you see mine?
Yeah.
Literally just this! This is me! Running! I can actually move like this? Huh? I'm a floor sweeper. Let's go to everyone else.
We got touch. We got touch by Grandpa. We need to get the one near the door. Where's the door?
They have all the buttons. Hey guys, did you guys get all the buttons?
I
Oh, Grandpa! Go, Grandpa!
Go, Grandpa!
The door's over here.
I'll go.
Oh my
Hey,
god,
guys,
this is
guys,
hilarious.
everywhere.
Hey, I'm gonna be recording a video about my grandpa trying to touch me.
I'm recording a YouTube video.
Right by that.
Where are the other buttons? Guys, where'd you find the buttons?
Where's the door?
Oh wait, it's over here. Boys, the door's over here. Yeah, I found it. I need one button though. I need one button. Help me get the one button. Help me get the
Bye,
one
guys. See you
button.
later, suckers. I'm going. One more button.
Alright, well, we're on to level 11.
Oh no!
Hey guys.
Yellow, I made it.
Uh-oh.
Woo.
Because I am.
20%.
super sorry.
No, bro.
Boys, Vents Marathon. Boys, Vents Marathon. More Vents Marathon.
Guys, 5 nights that has bullets. 5 nights that has bullets.
5 nights that has bullets. 5 nights that has...
Oh my god, run!
It's coming. Hey, what you gonna rephrase that?
Oh my god! Baby!
Hi, Hezbollah.
I actually learned the Macarena from this.
Boys, we gotta get out there. Someone go distract the baby. Oh my god, back up! Bye, boys. Guys, we have to get down through that vent. We have to get down and through that vent. Oh god! Oh my god, the woman! Run!
Because I'm screaming.
I mean, level 11?
That is very, very scary. Very scary. Can I have some apple juice, please? I need a drink. Come here, dog. Doggus. I got you. Chaos. Alright, well, that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. As always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.